to learn about examples of congruent triangles, Part 2. Now you already know that when the three sides and three angles of one triangle are equal to the corresponding three sides and three angles of another triangle, then both those triangles are congruent to each other. But what if you don't know all the 6 measurements, which are the three sides and three angles? You can still figure out if the triangles are congruent if you know 3 or more measurements. Let's look at some examples. This is my brother, Namha. He will be helping us with our examples. Hi. Let's say we have 2 triangles. A red one and a blue one. Both these triangles are right-angled triangles, which means that angle C for the red triangle, triangle ABC, is equal to angle
C for the blue triangle, which is triangle ADC. By the way, the red triangle is named ABC and the blue triangle is named ADC.
Now let's write that down. Angle C is equal to
angle C for the blue triangle, which is equal to
90 degrees, because a right angle always measures 90 degrees. Now, a right-angled triangle always has a hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is the longest side on a right-angled triangle. For the red triangle, triangle ABC, the hypotenuse would be side AB.
And for the blue triangle, triangle ADC, the hypotenuse would be side AD.
One thing to keep in mind is that the hypotenuse only appears on right-angled triangles. The hypotenuse AB for the red triangle measures 8 centimeters.
And the hypotenuse for the blue triangle, side AD, measures 8 centimeters too.
So let's write that down. Side AB is equal to
side AD for the blue triangle, which is equal to
8 centimeters. Now, the other 2 sides of a right-angled triangle are called the legs of a right-angled triangle. The other 2 sides for the red triangle, triangle ABC, are sides AC and side BC. Side AC and side BC are called the legs of triangle ABC. Now, both these triangles, triangles ABC and triangle ADC, share a common leg, which would be side AC. So, let's write that down. Side AC for the red triangle is equal to
side AC for the blue triangle.
Now, to show that 2 sides are equal, to each other needs to have the same number of lines. For instance, this side AB, is equal to side AD. So I would put 2 lines here, and then I would put 2 lines here to show that side AB is equal to side AD. And then I could put 1 line on side AC to show that it does not measure the same as side AB, but it measures the same for both the triangles. Triangle ABC and triangle
ADC.
Now, does this mean that both these triangles are congruent?
Yes, it does mean that both these triangles are congruent.
They're congruent due to the hypotenuse leg theory, right?
Yeah, they are congruent to the hypotenuse leg theory.
So let's write that down. They're congruent due to the hypotenuse leg theory. Now, let's write down that both these triangles are congruent. Triangle A B C is congruent to, this is the sign for congruency,
Triangle A D C.
So, once again, triangle ABC is congruent to,
Triangle ADC.
due to the hypotenuse leg theory. Now let's look at another example.